This is the Ugears locomotive with tender kit. I picked it up on sale at Joann Fabrics, which is a local craft shop or a craft chain in the U.S. It's a wooden model kit, a lot like the ROKR kits that I did, the tractor and the clock that are on my channel elsewhere. The Ugears kits use toothpicks for all of the shafts, for the gears and everything, and I think that is more challenging to get the gears and everything to work properly. I thought I had gotten everything to move relatively easily, but I was pretty lazy, I guess, in assembling this. I didn't get everything as super smoothly running as it should. But the thing that the kit does require is a craft knife. I also use a bit of superglue because the shaft ends for the toothpicks sit in cradles, cut cradles that are then inserted into another side section. And those cradles don't like to stay in position by friction all the time. So I tend to put those in and then superglue them in position before I set the gears and the shafts in them to make sure that they won't sag or work their way loose or cause extra friction in the mechanism. The ROKR kits have metal shafts, and I think that those are a little easier to deal with when building these kits. The ROKR kits also have the clock spring, and the Ugears kit uses rubber bands here. And I think overall it's just if you expect the kit to last as an operational model, having the clock spring and the metal shafts means that further in the future it's going to be a little easier to keep it going. The other kit on my channel that's a Ugears is the pneumatic engine, and that actually works really well. I like it a lot. It's a cute little kit and was nice and relatively easy to put together and works really well. There's a video of it running on the channel here. But the locomotive kit here, I think that the mechanism is just too large to easily get it working without a lot of really fine work that like I tried to do as I went, but I don't know if I'm satisfied with the way it works, and I may be taking it apart to go in there and see if I can get it to run better. But overall, this was a fun kit to do. The assembly took a little over 7 hours in real time. The time lapse here is a 2-second time lapse to make the video. And yeah, as always, the parts were very high quality and well cut out. It's got a lot of interesting, cute little movable features that are not part of the mechanism. There's a door on the roof of the cab, and the doors on the tender have a mechanism to open and close them together. So overall, it's a really cute little kit, and I had a good time making it. I would say if anyone is buying one, just to be aware that because of the toothpicks being used for all of the shafts and moving parts, you do have to be incredibly careful and fiddly about making sure that everything is perfect at every stage of assembly. So yeah, the finished product looks really nice though, so I am glad that I put it together, and it was an entertaining 6 or 7 hours of assembly.